Hello, my name is Ibrahim. Let me introduce BrAIn MRI. What is a BrAIn MRI? BrAIn MRI is an innovative solution that uses artificial intelligence or AI to revolutionize MRI interpretation while making the faster conclusions and more accurate results. What is the problem? Problem is long waits. There are many patients but few doctors. That causes the delays in the process. Secondly, doctors fatigue. Tired doctors may be less accurate. Skill variability. Some struggle to interpret MRI images and there are non-experienced doctors in the villages. Need for speed. We need quicker MRI analysis for faster results, decrease the time. What is the solution? Automation, accuracy and speed. BrAIn MRI automates MRI analysis by reducing the manual workload and human interaction. Accuracy. AI ensures precise MRI interpretation, more accurate results. Speed. Faster analysis enables patient care and decreases time milestones. In the phase 1, our software will analyze MRI images with help of inputs. Doctors will review and approve AI-generated analysis. In the phase 2, our software will analyze brain MRI scans autonomously, expanding the analyze capability to include other human body parts. In the phase 2, there will be centralized management, like Discord, for hospitals, doctors and patients. How does it work? In the phase 1, radiologists will observe the patient and use our software input the features values. Our software calls the model. Our model is pre-trained and fine-tuned for a specific task. It will predict the conclusion and then radiologist will validate it. After that, he doctor approve it and generate PDF signed by him and patient sends to patient. In the phase 2, radiologist will observe and process the brain MRI scan to our software. Our model will extract the features values itself and then radiologist will validate the conclusion. After that, he doctor will review it one more time to make sure that everything is correct because health matters and then approves finally and generate PDF sends to patient. PDF consists of observation, conclusion and signed by head doctor. In the phase 2, there will be Discord-like application for hospitals and patients, doctors. Doctor may chat with patient, another doctor with doctor in the hospital A may chat with hospital B, and then patients may chat about the specific illness like headache or tumor. Patient may create separate thread and talk about their illness. Actually, this is a really cool. We will gather patients and doctors in one place and they will discuss about illness. I have an MVP and I fine-tuned Llama 2 70 billion, but after getting the funding, I will migrate to GPT-4 and GPT-4 Vision for our phase 2 monetization. For BrAIn MRI, we will charge around 15,800 in a month and bill it yearly. For MedHub, Discord-like application, we will think about that because it depends on the features, users. There are a lot of things to consider. It's on the phase 3. We have time to think about this. Let's see a quick demo. Radiologists will take the features from BrAIn MRI scan and use our software and input those values here. And our model will predict the conclusion based on the observation made. Yep, here, conclusion. It saves in MongoDB, and here head doctor may edit and make some changes. And lastly, generate the PDF and send to patient. PDF will have observation and conclusion and signed by doctor. Thank you very much. It's just the start of our journey. I would really appreciate if I got the funding for my startup. Thank you.